Guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. This is episode number 7, and I think I am reaching the climax to get this thing actually up on the road and running like it should from the factory. Well, maybe not from the factory, but you know what? It does have 129,000 miles on it after all. So I figured out that this car might actually be, I don't know, a somewhat rare car maybe. I'm not quite sure. But what it does have, and I've never owned a vehicle like this, it has a speed-activated spoiler. Yes, this plate is a spoiler. This is actually the spoiler motor, and its job is to move the spoiler up at, I don't know, probably 30, 40 miles an hour, and then back down when it gets about 5 miles an hour. So that is the noise that I'm hearing. Can you hear that? And I'm going to show you exactly what it does because it's pretty dang cool. So there is a switch that's right there. You see it's right here. Okay, so this has the manual switch for moving the spoiler up and down. Your key has to be in the ignition for it to actually function. Yeah, that is it. That is the spoiler. Well, this might suck. Damn. Well, finally the tools came in, and yeah, these are the 12-point special tools. I guess Europe and America, they're still not talking and they have to develop their own stuff. Well, that's a whole nother story. Well, if you're wondering what size it is and you just want to buy one tool, it's an M10, 12-point M10, okay? Hey, I'm just trying to hook you up, right? Save you some money. So I go to work adjusting it as far down as I can get it. And mind you, it does not actually adjust that far down. All right, we're gonna see if this thing will adjust. And of course it doesn't fit that M10. The bottom is an M8. Right on. Thank you, Volkswagen. I adjust the lower latch as high as I can get it, which isn't much. It's just a warm day out, so my kitten, my sleepy kitten, is just out here laying in the shade. Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob. Let's just see if I adjusted this correctly and if it needs anything else done. Keep your fingers crossed. Oh, you can see this is a very weak spring. It's just a little coil right over here, and this is fairly weak. This is where all of the force is located to push the door up. But because it is broken here, it's actually pushing up on this point. And that point is very weak because this is broken. Even though I've tried to glue it into place, this is not going to work. See that little spot there? If you want it to push against there, you need to have that metal plate right here, not cantilevered over. So this is the point where you've got pressure. This part, looks like we'll have to do some more salvaging. Good thing I have a parts car. Okay, here we are. Hey, when you get old, you start making noises like I do. once you get these out, or not, because some of them, sometimes they do want to come and other times they don't. And you're probably thinking, why are you doing it from this side? Well, it's because this thing does not have a key. It was abandoned and I can't get the trunk open. Looks like I'm gonna have to take this out too. There we go. Got it. All right, well, sorry about the tall grass. Oops, sorry about that. A little bit of tall grass over here. That's what we need. I've never had this actually open before. I've never had the key for it. It looks like I got a full set of tools now. Bonus. Salvaging is fun, right? Little mouse nest down in there. No problem. Don't worry, I didn't forget about you. Come on. Let's try it out. Still not working, huh? Okay, a little bit of adjusting. Woo, I like that. Oh, VW, you're killing me. That's some kind of security feature? Is that what you're telling me? Because that's bullcrap. Believe it or not, in order to get this open, you have to pull this light and pull on this cord to get this to open. There it goes right there. You see that? Unsatisfactory as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so you take a little screwdriver and you just keep working it and you pry this out. It's just a little keeper and it'll leave you access to the switch. Okay, after you got that keeper off, you just press the thing through. Okay, I'm going to spray a little bit of silicone spray in here, reinstall it. Hopefully that'll take care of business. Doody doody doo, doody doody doo doo. Huh, what is it? Uh-oh. What is this stuff? Where did this come from? Oh my gosh. What the heck is going on here? Wow. All of that just to get to that part. So this is how you get all of these parts out. Crawl inside, and this piece across the very top, that just pulls out. You see, it's just little clips. All right, you got to take the seat belt and take that bolt out. All right, that one goes out next. And the last one. we go. Really, I mean, it looks a lot worse than what it is, but it's not that bad. Okay, just loosen it up, pull it back. There we go. Okay, there's a little cable right there. It just hooks into place. All I have to do is turn it to the side and fish that out of there. All right, so just bend it up like this. There we have it. So what I've decided to do is just adjust that back. You can see where the screws were previously by the little marks on the flange. I just adjusted it back a little bit. Let's see if this helps. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That'll work. Next time on part 8 of the Beetlemania restoration project. Okay, what do we got here for engine? 9 faults?
Yeah, boost pressure control valve, performance malfunction and cooling system, engine temperature too low, catalytic system, bank 1, mass airflow sensor, bank 1 camshaft intake, camshaft position sensor, engine speed sensor, secondary air injection system, evap system, large leak detected.
Okay.
You ever had a dead battery on this?
Yeah, a couple times.
All right, we might have to just reset everything or clear everything.
Well, once we cleared everything, it got a little bit better. Just a little bit. Reading the codes gives me a fresh start to figuring out what I need to do next. Until then, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.